Hello, hello. So today we're going to look at properties of real numbers. So we're just going to look at a couple of different things that are always true. So the commutative property that works for adding or multiplying. And what the commutative property says is that the order doesn't matter in which you add or you multiply. So for example, if you add a plus b, it's the same thing as b plus a. So like 2 plus 7, you get 9, is the same as 7 plus 9. And that's the same thing for multiplication. So if you multiply 3 times 5, it's the same thing as 5 times 3. So that's the commutative property. The associative property is also for adding or multiplying only. And this one's saying that the grouping does not matter. So that means that you can group them in any order you want and you'll still get the same answer. So for example, if you have a plus b first, add those. Or if you add b plus c first, you're still going to get the same thing. So here, 5 plus 2, or if you do the 2 plus 6, it doesn't matter, you're going to add them all up together anyways. Now, same thing for multiplication. Does not matter which two numbers you multiply first, you're going to get the exact same value. Okay, so now, so that was commutative and associative. The other properties is the identity property of addition. And all that says is that if you're adding 0 to any expression, you're going to get the exact same expression. So you're adding 0, nothing happens. Okay, that's the identity property. So 0 plus a, you get a. 6 plus 0, you get 6. Okay, now the identity property of multiplication, that one is saying that if you multiply any expression by 1, it gives you the exact same expression. So like if you have 1 times a, you still get a. 1 times 6, you still get 6. 1 times 7, you still get 7. 1 times anything is going to give you the same expression back. Oy. And then the additive inverse. So for every number, there is a number, negative a, such that a plus negative a is going to give you 0. So there's always going to be a number there. So like for example, 3 and negative 3 gives you 0. 5 and negative 5 gives you 0. Okay, those are the additive inverse. Now the multiplicative inverse will give you a 1. So for every number that can't be 0, there's another number that when you multiply them, you get 1. So if you have a times 1 over a, you get 1. Or like 6 times 1 over 6, you get 1. Or 10 times 1 over 10, you get 1. Okay? And that's all for our properties. Thank you for watching.